Okay, this is my 13-foot new surf casting rod. So let's give this a toss out. It's on my, using my Tesoro 12. Okay. Let's put this in the sand spike. Get ready. Aloha guys, this is Scuba Chris on location. I was here an hour before daybreak. I put out one of my Hawaii Custom Series 13-foot surf casting rods. This is the other one. This is the 14-foot surf casting rod. It's 14-2 3-piece. It is rated for 4.2 to 8.8 ounces. It's a extra heavy rod. It's kind of like the ballistic, so it's rated for spinners, but because of the lowrider guides here, these type of long cast surfing guides will, with the double foot, will straighten the rod. So even though with the spine, it was originally meant for spinners, because of this, it's just like the ballistics. You can also use it for conventionals. So I'll be using this today. See what happens. Gonna put some squid out. Wish me luck. Okay, the sun's just coming up now. So I'm just gonna, you got that sand, big sandy area right there. So I'm gonna chuck it right there. Nice. Got it right into that, right just when the sand ended and the reef began, right in that spot. Good. Okay, I'm gonna try to catch some live bait this morning. Got my guides. Oh, hold up. Is that ringing? Well, my rod was jingling a little bit, but it stopped. All right. This is gonna be my live bait setup here. I'm gonna have my Helios 40. This is the high-speed model. 9'9" Guide Select Pro. For my line, I'm using 15-pound test eminent braid, coming up to my weighted float here. Got 2 feet of line, 6-pound test line. I have a live bait tarpon. Well, it's a tarpon hook. It's a Mustad number 10 tarpon hook with some squid on it. So I'm gonna try to catch me some live bait. Okay, I was whipping with my golden goby because I was thinking I can get a hawkfish, but on my first cast, I got something. There it is. Oh my God, it's a grouper. Small grouper. My first cast, wow. Look at that. He loves that golden goby, huh? Oh well. Check this out. He had a baby fish in his mouth. Wow. Let's see if I can get it out. Hold on. You know, these are invasive species, but they say you should just kill it, but I don't like killing things if I'm not going to eat it, so I'm going to let him go. Well, he almost let himself go. Watch the top spines. Beautiful fish though, isn't he? Okay, here you go. Okay, I got one. Got a live bait on. I see it behind the float. And it's our state fish, the humu humu. Humu humu nuku nuku apua'a. I don't think I want him for my bait though, so get my pliers, we throw him back. Yeah, humu humu. Gotta get my pliers. Boy. This is not what I want for live bait, but here, you go back. Okay, this is one of the two of the new surf rods that came out. This is the 14.2. The other one is the 13.3. This is the Hawaiian Custom Series 14-foot 2-inch surf rod, 20 to 50 pound test line, 120 to 250 grams. So basically, you're looking at about a 4 to 9 ounce range. All right. These have right here. These guys here are LC guys. They're the long casting guides here. And what makes these special is that they're low riders. They meaning that the line's kept very low and the gravity's low, so it's closer to the rod. The distance and the double footing means that you're going to cover a large area. It's kind of like the ballistics, if you're familiar with the Daiwa ballistics. Now, a lot of shops would say, hey, the Daiwa ballistics multi-spine, so you can use spinner and conventional. That's partly true. You can use both, but it was most of them are for spinners. But when you use these type of guides, it straightens the blank. So what's going to happen is that if it's rated for a spinner, because that's how the spine is, now you can use conventions on it. Same with this one. This one here was rated for a spinner, but you can use a conventional on it. As I have here, this is a Tesoro 12, and I have 50-pound test top shot on it, so I'll be using that. Okay, so let's see what happens.